What if I told you that even when a woman seems completely uninterested, there are still subtle ways to spark genuine desire in her without chasing, without pretending, and without forcing anything? Hey, welcome back. Today we're diving into something most men never truly grasp about female psychology. Picture this. You're talking to a woman who seems incredible. She's beautiful, interesting, full of energy. But no matter what you do, her interest feels just out of reach. You try being kind, you give attention, you show effort. Yet the more you try, the more distant she seems to become. Here's the truth most men miss. You're probably not doing anything wrong. You're just doing the right things in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't follow logic the way we think it should. It's emotional, it's subconscious. And today I'm going to break down 7 powerful psychological triggers that actually ignite real desire in women. I'll give you a heads up. The last one is incredibly potent. It can shift the dynamic fast, yet almost no one applies it the right way. Before we go deeper, let me say this clearly. None of this is your fault. Nobody ever taught you how attraction really works. School didn't cover it, society barely touched it. Female desire isn't rational or logical. It's deeply emotional and often runs on mental shortcuts your conscious mind doesn't even notice. Evolutionary psychology shows that women's brains are wired to scan for specific signals of value, safety, and emotional strength. While you were busy trying to prove you'd be a good partner with words and effort, her deeper mind was quietly looking for completely different cues. Once you understand these triggers, you stop chasing, you stop forcing connections. Instead, you naturally become the kind of man women genuinely want to pursue. Let's start with the first trigger, masculine presence. This isn't about having the perfect body or the best looks. It's about the energy you carry. When you walk into a room or start a conversation, do you own the space with calm confidence, or do you shrink into it, looking for approval? Women notice this instantly. A man who moves deliberately, who breathes steadily, who isn't rushing or scanning faces for validation, sends a powerful message without saying a single word. That grounded, steady energy is rare, and rarity creates attraction faster than any clever line ever could. Imagine you're at a social event or a cafe. Instead of nervously looking around or fidgeting, you simply relax. Shoulders back, posture open, breathing calm. You observe the moment without anxiety. That small shift changes how she perceives you. Her subconscious radar lights up. She feels something different, not because you tried harder, but because you became more centered in yourself. The second trigger is emotional challenge, or what I like to call playful polarity. Many men fall into the trap of agreeing with everything a woman says, thinking it keeps the peace. But healthy tension isn't conflict, it's attraction fuel. When you gently disagree or tease in a light, playful way, you create contrast, and contrast creates magnetism. For example, if she says she loves waking up early, you might smile and reply, "Really? You and the snooze button must have some interesting arguments." It's fun, not rude. That little challenge shows you're comfortable in your own skin and not desperate to impress. It sparks a spark. Attraction thrives on that emotional movement, not endless agreement. Constant yes men feel safe but boring. A man who can hold his own while staying warm and respectful, that feels exciting. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where a lot of men lose the game without realizing it. They give too much too soon, instant replies, canceling plans for her, being available 24/7. To her brain, that can read as low value. A high-value man has a full life. He has goals, hobbies, friends, and purpose. His time feels valuable. When you're warm and engaged but not always instantly available, curiosity naturally sparks. She starts wondering about your world instead of you orbiting hers. Scarcity isn't about playing games. It's about balance. Being present without being consumed makes your attention feel meaningful and rare. The fourth trigger is intentional listening. This goes far beyond just hearing words. It's about remembering the little details and showing they matter to you. When you bring up something she mentioned casually days or weeks earlier, it sets you apart instantly. Emotional connection grows when someone truly sees you. For example, if she once mentioned loving orchids and you later send a quick photo of one with a simple note saying it reminded you of her, that small gesture lands powerfully. It shows real presence and care. When care is paired with strength and confidence, it becomes deeply attractive. This kind of attention builds bonds faster than any generic compliment ever could. The fifth trigger is calibrated vulnerability. Many men believe they have to appear unbreakable at all times, but perfection doesn't create connection. Honesty delivered with confidence does. Sharing something real, a past challenge, a fear you overcame, or a lesson you learned, without playing the victim makes you relatable and grounded. Vulnerability paired with stability builds trust, and trust is the doorway to deeper desire. True strength isn't hiding your flaws, it's being secure enough to own them without losing your center. The sixth trigger is gradual, respectful physical touch. Science shows that light, consensual touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. A gentle touch on the arm during laughter, or a soft brush on the shoulder while walking side by side creates positive physical association. Nothing forced, nothing rushed. These small moments help her brain link your presence with warmth, comfort, and safety. This is the kind of subtle connection that deepens attraction naturally over time. And finally, the seventh and most powerful trigger, controlled unpredictability. The human brain loves dopamine, the chemical released through rewarding uncertainty. When you're a little unpredictable in a balanced way, you become fascinating. This doesn't mean being hot and cold or unreliable. It means creating healthy intrigue through variety. Sometimes you're warm and deeply engaged. Sometimes you're playfully challenging. Sometimes you take the lead confidently, and other times you give space. You hold a quiet sense of mystery that keeps her mind engaged and wondering about you even when you're not around. Applied with respect and self-control, this final trigger can flip the dynamic almost instantly. Now you have real practical tools, not cheap tricks. Use them thoughtfully, with genuine respect and clear consent. You don't need to be perfect. What matters is having awareness and a strategy rooted in understanding how desire actually forms. Attraction is far more than looks, charm, or smooth lines. It's a subtle blend of psychology, energy, and behavior. When you carry yourself with calm confidence, live a life of purpose, and interact with a mix of warmth, challenge, and mystery, you naturally become magnetic. Women respond to signals of emotional strength, independence, and presence long before words even matter. That's why selective attention, intentional listening, calibrated vulnerability, and controlled unpredictability work so powerfully. They show you're confident, interesting, and emotionally aware without having to announce it. Gradual touch adds warmth and comfort, while unpredictability keeps her curious and releases dopamine, making your presence feel dynamic and exciting. The real art is balance. Be present without being clingy. Be confident without arrogance. Be vulnerable without neediness. When these triggers work together, attraction stops feeling like hard work and starts feeling natural. You stop chasing. You stop overthinking. You become the kind of man whose presence excites and intrigues her. This isn't manipulation. It's awareness and intentionality. When you understand how desire naturally forms, you gain clarity. You communicate value without desperation, and you create connections that feel real and lasting. Start small. Notice how you show up in conversations. Pay attention to the energy you bring. Practice being more present, more selective with your attention, and more grounded in your own life. Over time, you'll stop wondering why she seems distant and start seeing how your own calm, confident presence naturally draws her closer. If this resonated with you and opened your eyes to how attraction really works, drop a comment with the word aware so I know you're taking this seriously. Hit like if you want more content like this, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. The next video is going to show you exactly how to combine these triggers with the right energy so they land even deeper. You've got this. Start becoming the man who naturally sparks desire, not by chasing, but by simply being solid in who you are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.